So y'all need to go get that Bask Lather edge control. Like, it's a 10 out of 10 for me. Alright y'all, so we about to go ahead and get these edges nice and right. I already got my hair pulled back. I'm super duper excited because y'all, TikTok did it to me. I finally got the viral Bask Lather edge control. Let me stop talking and show you guys the edge control. So I kept it in the pack for y'all. I haven't even got into it yet. So this is what it comes, just like this in the box. This is how the edge control looks. Nice, cute, super sleek packaging. I did get the 5.3 ounce size. So this is the biggest size that they have in this edge control. And it does say that it is a strong hold for natural and relaxed hair. It has no alcohol or parabens in it. The key ingredients are water, beeswax, castor oil, some leaf oil perfume. So I'm really excited to just go ahead and try it out. Let me go ahead and smell it because this is the strawberry scent. It does smell like strawberries. It smells so good. So this is what it looks like. You do have a lot of edge control in this container. And I just want to see what it's giving. Like, we done seen this stuck to the wall, everything. So we about to see if this edge control is really like that. I definitely would say I probably have like a 4B type of hair. I know my roots are a little bit more tighter than the ends of my hair. So this is what my edges are looking like with no product. So here what my edges look like with no product on it whatsoever, no oil, no moisturizer, nothing is in my edges. So that way we can really see what this edge control is gonna give. Alright y'all, so I went on ahead and did one side of my edges off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side so you guys can see my full swoop process. But it only took a little bit of edge control for me to swoop this side of my edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the same sides on this side. So with my edges, I like to, and I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see a little bit better. So with my edges, I just like to pull out this section around my sideburns. So not a lot, but I like to pull that out. And then my hair naturally like curves in right here. So I like to just take a little slanted section of this piece of hair too as well right here, where my hair naturally just curves out. And I just like to make sure that it's even on both sides. And sometimes I may take my comb like this just so I can make sure I'm pulling it out evenly. Okay. So these are normally the sections that I do for my edges. I used to go all the way up here, but sometimes I don't like how that looks. So I'm just gonna do 4 swoops. So I'm gonna start with my bottom swoop. All right, so this is the edge brush that I'm using to swoop my edges. I like to use brushes like this that have the hard bristle edges on this side. I don't like the soft ones because the soft ones don't give me a firm hold. So this is what this edge brush looks like. And of course I have a little bit of product on it because I already did the other side. So I'm just gonna take the brush and just glide it into the edge control and get a thin layer of edge control on my brush. I didn't have to use a lot, which I love because baby, I think this edge control is like $15, but I will link it down below so you guys can check it out. And I'm just going to start at the base of my edge, and I just like to smooth it out first before I go into the swoop. And I do feel like I need a little bit more, so I'm going to grab a little bit more. Because sometimes I find when I put too much product on it, it just builds up too much. So again, we're just going to smooth it out first. I mean, I just like how effortless that was. Like, that was just so easy to do. And with my edges, they're never really identical, but and then for that little piece on the end, I just like to let it curl up and do its own thing. So that's how I like to swoop my edges. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for this one. So again, we're just gonna take our edge brush and just lightly glide it. I'm not pressing the brush into the edge control. I'm just literally gliding it right across, picking up my edge control, and then I'm going to smooth out the top portion first, and then I'm gonna pick up just a little bit more. I'm gonna smooth it out first, and my finger is following my brush. So my brush is leading the way, and then I'm going to take my finger and just press and smooth. Press and smooth. And this is kind of hard to do in the camera, but press and smooth. And then with this end section, I just brush it back into my hairline. So I'm going to take a little bit of edge control and just lightly brush. And to make sure that I don't mess up my swoop, I'll like press my finger firmly at the end of the swoop and then smooth it back into the hair. So that way it's not messing up my shape. And then I still have the swoop like that. And then bam. So bam, this is what my edges are looking like. So I don't know, I'm trying to debate if I want to do, let me see, let me take these clips out. Let's see if I want to go up anymore. Oop. Alright. No, that's fine, because I like how it's looking. Alright, y'all, so. Okay. So here is what my edges are looking like. I love how the Bask Lather edge control work. Like, y'all, this is after church. It's been a couple of hours and I'm rubbing my fingers all over my edges and they are not going anywhere. It does have a nice firm hold to it and I don't have any flaking. That's what it is. No flaking whatsoever. So I do love that about this product. So definitely they get a thumbs up for me, and I will peek back in later tonight to show you guys how long this hold is lasting with these edges. But yeah, like I definitely love how this edge control is going. I love it. All right, y'all, so it is the end of the evening. It's about 7:30 and I did my edges early this morning at about like 10 o'clock ish. So y'all, I mean, the edges are not budging. Like I'm rubbing extra hard. They're not going anywhere. I do feel like they have a nice, strong, firm hold. So y'all need to go get that Bask Lather edge control. Like it's a 10 out of 10 for me. I will continue to wear it this week. So the other test is I'm gonna work out and see how it does working out. So I'll come back and show you guys how my edges look like after a workout session. But so far, from 10 a.m. to 7:30, almost 8 o'clock p.m., I mean, these edges are not moving, are not going anywhere, honey. So definitely get that edge control.